Hello, my beautiful people. Today we have something exciting and new. Ask and you shall receive. We read your comments, not just here on YouTube, but also on our Facebook and Instagram pages. I'll put those links in our caption so you can go ahead and check them out. But we got a lot of comments asking for warm smoothies. It's cold where a lot of you are, all right? And maybe you don't want to drink a cold smoothie in the morning, so I have 3 delicious, very different warm smoothie recipes that we're gonna do together right now. Alrighty, so our first one, it is so simple but so yummy. It is an apple pie warm smoothie, all right? So we have a full red apple cut, washed first and cut the core out. All right, we have 2 tablespoons of rolled oats, and then I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then a cup of non-dairy milk of your choice. I'm using almond milk. And then we have a tablespoon of maple syrup. Boom, that is it. All right, you can start out with 1 cup, and if you want it a little bit thinner, then you would add more of the milk of your choice, all right? But if you want it a little bit thicker, 1 cup is a good place to start. So we're just gonna put all these ingredients into your blender, into your, cup for your blender. I got this question a lot on my last smoothie recipe. What blender am I using? I am using a NutriBullet, all right? That is my favorite blender that I use. I use it not just for smoothies, but also for making other delicious recipes. It kind of works like a food processor as well. It's really, really cool. All right, so just add all of your recipes, all your ingredients into the cup in your blender. Very good. And then blend it, and that's it. We're gonna blend all of the ingredients, and then I'll let you know how we're gonna make it warm. All right, boom. All of our ingredients are nice and blended thoroughly. And what you're gonna do is gonna grab a pot or a pan, a small pot or a pan. All right, we're gonna dump our smoothie into that pot or pan. And what we're gonna do is heat it up, but not to a boil. So you're gonna heat it up without bringing it to a boil. So low to medium heat, all right, mixing it through, and there you go. So we're gonna go do that now. It's gonna take a few minutes, and I'll see you back for the mug. Alrighty, my beautiful people, once our smoothie is nice and warmed up to your liking, if you want it warm, if you want it hot, you have control there to make it the temperature you like. Go ahead and pour it in your favorite mug or cup. I like mugs. And boom, you have a delicious apple pie warm smoothie. It is so yummy. I hope you like it. Let me know if you tried this one. And we're moving on to our second smoothie. Alrighty, smoothie number 2, we have an anti-inflammatory green smoothie. So yummy, a few more ingredients, but super packed with nutrients. This is great when you are sick, if you have a sore throat and you should be avoiding cold beverages, but you still want nutrients. Boom, warm smoothie, super packed with nutrients, good stuff. So into the ingredients, I have a handful of spinach, or you could do a teaspoon of spirulina, or a handful of kale. So 3 different options for this ingredient right here. Then I have a half of a ripe banana. All right, I have 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds packed with protein, great for you. All right, I have a small carrot, nice and chopped up, so it blends well. I have a 1/4 cup of zucchini, chopped up as well. And then I have like a knob of ginger, or you could do a tablespoon of cut up ginger or a teaspoon of ground ginger. So different measurements there for you. And then I have a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and that's to activate the turmeric, and then a pinch of cinnamon. Yum, all the good stuff. And then we have our cup of non-dairy milk of your choice. I'm gonna do this over the sink. Boom. Yes, awesome. So we're gonna blend up our smoothie, and then same process as before. You're gonna pour it into a pot or a pan, and you're gonna warm it up, not in a boil, until you have it to a temperature that you like. Look at that pretty color. That color just screams nutrients and goodness to me. Blend it up, go ahead, pour it into your pot or pan, and then warm it up. All right, mine's nice and warmed up. I don't like it too hot, I like it just warm enough. So pour it in your mug. Beautiful. And enjoy. Super light, super fresh. You can taste the herbs, not the herbs in there. Yes, the herbs, the turmeric gives it a little spice. So good, love this, awesome. 2 great smoothies done. We're going for our 3rd, and you're gonna like this one. It's a bit of a dessert smoothie. Alrighty, last but not least, our 3rd smoothie, we have a chocolate coconut dessert warm smoothie. So yummy, super simple. We have half of a banana here, half of a nice ripe banana. All right, then we have a 1/4 cup of rolled oats, a tablespoon of cacao powder, and that's cacao, not cocoa. There is a difference. All right, super important that you find 70% or higher cacao. All right, we have a tablespoon of nut butter. I use peanut butter, you can use almond butter. If you're allergic to nuts, you can use seed butter, like sunflower butter, that works as well. All right. Then we have a tablespoon of maple syrup. Try to be careful, not get sticky here. I make a mess when I cook. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. There. And then a cup of coconut milk, all right? That's where the coconut comes in. And you can also add a tablespoon of shredded coconuts if you'd like, coconut flakes, all right? Boom, simple. We're gonna blend it up nice and good and then warm it up. Ingredients are nice and blended through. Go ahead and grab your pot or pan, dump it in, and then we're gonna warm it up without bringing it to a boil. Also, a side note, you never wanna put hot liquid in a blender, all right? So that's why we are taking it out of the blender and putting it into a pot to warm up that way, because you never wanna put hot water or hot liquid in a blender. Alrighty, again, once your smoothie is nice and heated up to the way that you like, go ahead, grab a mug and pour it in. Look at that, so creamy, oh, delicious. Oh, beautiful. Perfect for a cold day. This is great to make for kids or your grandkids after a snow day, something healthy but yummy, why not? And there you go. Chocolate coconut warm smoothie. It basically tastes like a hot chocolate. It is a hot chocolate, but a healthy hot chocolate. Boom, filled with nutrients. And there you have it, my beautiful people, 3 delicious warm smoothies to keep you nice and healthy during the winter. We have our apple pie smoothie, our anti-inflammatory green smoothie, and then our delicious chocolate coconut smoothie. I hope you give them a try. Let us know in the comments below what you think, and I hope to see you on the next video, whether it's a workout or a recipe. Check out our channel. We have so many great things to share with you. And don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, that lets you know when we post so you don't miss out on the next awesome thing. All right, I hope to see you there.